Alright, what's going on, everybody? At 84 here, Wicked Explorers. It is downpouring out right now, if you can see out the window. We are on our way, or I should say I'm on my way, to Martha's Vineyard. But first I gotta drive to Woods Hole to pick up the ferry, put the car on the ferry, and take it to Oaks Bluff. My ferry's at 7:30. My GPS says I'm an hour away. It's downpouring and there's a huge accident on the route there. I'm only like 40 miles away. So I stopped at Kingston Mall real quick, go to the bathroom, kill some time real quick, and then we'll continue from there. So hopefully next time you see me, I'll be on the ferry. All right, so I got here early. I'm about an hour before my boat was supposed to leave. I think this is the 6:30 boat. It's 6:25 right now. It's supposed to be on the 7:30 boat. It's supposed to be here by 7. So got here early, it paid off. And I'm on an early boat, so I should be getting to the island about an hour earlier than usual. So I'm gonna go and walk around. I think I gotta put my mask on because we're on transportation, and gonna check some shit out. Let's see where I can go, and I can go outside and do all that stuff. So, but 45-minute boat ride. So once we stop moving, then I'll go check some stuff. I'll go back to the car. All right, we're on the boat. It's moving. My car is below. Never done this before. It's the first time I'm taking my car. I haven't worn my mask in 2 months now, so getting used to it, but we have to wear it. I think I could probably get away if not having it on. Just no one gets around me. Alright, so I thought I was walking to the front of the boat. Apparently, you load on the front of the boat. I guess you can go straight through. I guess we're going to be loading on the back of the boat. But I'm in the back of the boat right now. There is no one sitting outside, which I'm not really surprised. The boat's not even full. And I got here an hour early, which is awesome. So let's do a little tour of the boat here. This would be the back area, I guess. It's still here. I sat out here a couple times.
Have your attention, please. The owner of blue BMW mass plates. Please return to your vehicle with a blue BMW.
That's not good. Someone left their lights on. Yeah, it's slippery.
Life jackets are located on the outside weather deck in clearly marked boxes throughout the vessel. The Coast Guard certified crewmen will instruct you in event of emergency. Venture out to the weather deck. Please be careful going through the doorways. Doors can be carried by the wind. And outside the deck is the breeze on time. Before traveling with children, keep close eye on what's on the back.
Out here. That would have been nice. So a few things you don't want to do in this boat right here is A, dropping my phone. If I drop my phone, it will go into the Atlantic Ocean. I also don't want to drop my car keys. I took my car keys with me. I locked it because I have all the stuff in the car and there's a bunch of people. I don't think anyone would go through it, but just in case. And I don't want to drop myself. The deck is very, very slippery. As you can probably see, it's slightly rainy, a little drizzly, and very windy. So I'd prefer not to be lost at sea, considering I'm here by myself. Everyone else is already in the island, but I'm pumped. I'm going to get there a little early, and I can start my adult beverages. Possibly get something to eat. I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything. We were delayed on the way down. We started this video. I was in Kingston. It took 3 hours from downtown Boston to get to Woods Hole. I did stop for about 10 minutes at the Kingston Mall to relieve myself, and with hopes to get something to eat, but there's no food court there anymore. So I think I should have got a popcorn at the movie theater. That would be tasty. I got no food in my car. I just got booze. I guess I could crack a beer if I wanted to, but really could use some food. Hopefully, I'll cook a hamburger. We got food when we get back to the house. So I'll be meeting everyone else there. Suzi J, little Henry, and the family will be there. But yeah, it's the boat ride. Never got the boat to myself. This is fucking great. Pretty cool. We're gonna enjoy it. And when you hear from me next, I'll be heading back to my vehicle. And we'll be going from there. We'll be driving off. I think we're about a 10-minute drive once we get off the boat. We are in the Vineyard. It is the first weekend of August. The Obama family's here, actually. And maybe we'll run into them. I highly doubt it, but you never know. So, anything is possible. Like Kevin got it. Just past it at night. As the ferry is probably leaving. Looks close. I don't know. This guy can see where we're going. Up there for a second. You can't really hear the wind, but visibility is probably a quarter of a mile. You can see a boat out there. That's about it. Actually, the view from the men's room. Cool little window view. I think we're just gonna go back to the car, relax a little bit. It's getting wet outside, and I really don't want to hang out. Land ho. We're almost to the island. I think probably about 10 minutes till we get to port. This is the undercarriage of the ferry. Pretty cool. There's hardly any cars here. It's actually pretty nice. I'm not even sure if I'm even supposed to be down here, but it's pretty cool. I'm in the belly of the boat here. Then we got like, 18-wheeler over there, a dump truck and stuff, a bunch of cars over there. It's pretty crazy. That's the big giant door that we drove on that then comes down, and then there's another one over there. So that one we drive out of course. There's the Jeep. Alright, back in the Jeep in. Now we just wait. We're almost there.
Oh, now you want to talk, Auntie?
Look who I found at the house. Henry.
Hold on. Susie need to go get something. What do you need? Nothing.
What's the matter, Bubba? Oh, that's nice. You got the number wrong though.
Yeah?
Yeah. Where is everybody? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa.
He's biting me!
Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Comes again.
If you want to make the video, you can.
I just was. What, are you gonna play this on your TV?
Yeah, it's actually a good idea. I can videotape this and just have this on my TV on loop.
If only they would just have a feature on TVs that does that.
Yeah, that's a long one.
Just buy a place, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and leave me comments below. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye!